If you've never legally married, you might wonder what will happen if you pass away. Will your kids be eligible for Social Security because your spouse won't, because you didn't legally get married? So marriage means nothing as far as child survivor benefits. As long as someone can prove that this child was your biological or adoptive child and they're under the age of 18, you pass away and you have paid into Social Security, so there's money there, they are eligible for survivor benefits until they graduate high school, typically at 18. Say you were providing more than 50% of the support for a stepchild. That stepchild would also be eligible. Go back a little bit to you never got married. So you never getting married doesn't impact the kids, but it will impact your spouse. So it's not too late to get married. You can get married right now. And if you die in 9 months, your spouse will be eligible for those survivor benefits. So that's something I keep putting out there for people that are not legally married, that it's not too late to get married. You don't have to be married 35 years. You don't have to be married 10 years. That 10-year mark that everybody get confused about is for divorced spouses. But if you're living together right now and you have minor children together and you pass away, that's waived. If you don't have minor children and you're living together and you get married, you only have to wait 9 months before those spousal benefits would be triggered for your surviving spouse. So even though you've been living together for 30 years and you never got married, it's not too late to get married and each of you will be eligible for Social Security survivor benefits, which are 100% of what you are drawing if you're already on Social Security. So it's a big amount of money, and it might mean a huge difference to the person that you leave behind. If you have more questions about Social Security, Medicare, retirement, ask us here in the comments or email us at themedicarefamily.com or call us. We're here to help.